Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. With the orange season full on, we are going to make this amazing orange and chocolate upside down cake today. Whenever I go out these days, all I see is carts and carts full of these bright orange, green, juicy, fresh oranges, and I am determined to make the most of this short season of fresh oranges. We are going to use fresh orange slices, fresh orange zest, fresh orange juice, a dark caramel and a rich chocolate batter to put this cake together. You can find the detailed recipe on my website with step-by-step pictures. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you must do it right away. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and Facebook as well. Now let's get started. What we need for this cake is 2 oranges that we are going to slice thinly, some butter, eggs, brown sugar, cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, some more sugar for the caramel, orange zest from 1 to 2 oranges depending on the boldness of taste that you prefer, orange juice, this will be fresh orange juice from at least 1 orange, 20 to 30 ml of milk. So first up, let's begin with making the caramel. Now the caramel I'm going to make using some brown sugar. You can use whichever sugar you want, but of course the depth of flavor that you would get with this sugar and the depth of color that you will get from this sugar is definitely better than the white sugar. Put this sugar into a saucepan. Remember to keep your heat low at all times and begin stirring it lightly till it starts to melt. Once it starts melting, it will slowly become golden brown kind of liquid. I added a little bit of butter here, but that's totally optional. Let it caramelize till it has thickened. Make sure you don't take it too over the edge, otherwise it will burn. Now this caramel is absolutely ready. So this one goes right into the base of your baking tin. I'm not going to grease the baking tin. There's no greasing required. So in goes this beautiful caramel. And now arrange your orange slices all around this baking tin base on the caramel, and now just let it sit there while we begin making the batter for our cake. For the batter, first of all, we're going to take room temperature butter and the brown sugar and cream it very well. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. So you need to keep whisking it till you get this kind of a fluffy, creamy, light mixture. Now add in a little bit of vanilla extract and the eggs. You can add these eggs one at a time. I added them both together. Beat it again. Now here you can see that this mixture seems to have split, but don't worry, it'll all come together once the baking is done. Once you have this mix, it's time to sift in your dry ingredients, which here include flour, baking powder, cocoa powder and cinnamon if you want to use it. Sift half of this mixture into the egg and butter mix. Mix it with a spoon or a spatula. Once it's all together, now I'm going to take my milk that has been infused with the orange zest and put in that milk into this batter. Mix it again. Put in the rest of the flour mixture. Mix everything nicely, lightly till I get this beautiful dark chocolate cake batter. And now it's ready to go into the oven. So take out the baking tin that has already got the caramel in it, and then pour in the batter, even it up, and into the oven it goes at 180 degrees C for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once it is baked, let it cool inside the oven nicely, get it out. You can keep it and chill it in the fridge and then turn it over. Before turning it out, take a sharp knife or a spatula, run it all around the edges of your baking tin, making sure nothing is stuck. As we can see, this is not stuck anywhere. Now the moment of truth, invert this tin over a plate or your cake stand and out it comes. How beautiful is that? I wish you could also smell this along with seeing it. See these beautifully caramelized oranges glistening with all that caramel on the chocolate. Already looks like a slice of heaven to me. Now with oranges plenty in season all around you, I'm sure you're going to make this cake. You're going to love it. So go ahead, make this cake. Until next time, bye-bye and enjoy.